Hello guys, my name's Daniel with All About You Auto, and this is Under the Hood. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Hyundai Sonata with the available feature, Smart Park. Now as you can see, we're parked a little too close to be able to get in the vehicle. So we have a feature just for that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the vehicle, the remote start on by first hitting the lock, and then holding the remote start. Once the vehicle is started, you're now going to hit the forwards button and bring the vehicle out. Now it's actually going to be detecting its surroundings, and in case there's anything in front of it, the vehicle will detect it and come to a complete stop. We're actually going to demonstrate it now. We'll walk in front of the vehicle and it comes to a stop. Also, if you wanted to reverse the vehicle back into its space, you have the availability to do so. Pretty fancy. Again, my name's Daniel. This is All About You Auto, Under the Hood. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm out of here. Thanks again for watching another great episode of Under the Hood. Give us a like, subscribe, and remember, we sell any make, any model, anytime. We work for you.